Hi friends, welcome to my channel Easy for Vets. Please keep supporting by subscribing to my channel. Today we will see about Corona or COVID-19, the virus which had taken the whole 2020 to its selfishness. COVID-19, Coronaviral Infectious Disease 2019, which was given by WHO. Shortly we will see about the coronavirus. It is a single-stranded, past-sense enveloped RNA virus. Corona means crown, that is, viral spikes around the nucleocapsid looks like the crown. So, genome size is 26 to 32 base pair, which is largest among the RNA virus. Initially, it was noticed in Wuhan, district of China, and like a sun rays, it started spreading slowly to other countries and affected many people in the world and also killed many peoples. There is two category, mild and severe category. Human coronavirus is of mild category, but COVID-19 is of severe category. Almost all people were at the risk, but especially older people and people with high BP, heart problems, and diabetes are in high danger of getting infection. Transmission is mainly through direct contact with infected person or contacting the air droplets of infected person indirectly by touching the contaminated utensils. Incubation period, on an average it takes 5 to 6 days to show signs and symptoms, but also it can take up to 14 days. So incubation period is 1 to 14 days. Recovery, in case of mild infection it is approximately 2 weeks. In case of severe infection it is 5 to 6 weeks, but in case of more severe infection it leads to death. Symptoms, main symptoms are fever, dry cough, difficulty in breathing, and associated symptoms are headache, chest pain, sore throat, conjunctivitis, and intestinal problem like diarrhea. Many people used to compare COVID-19 with seasonal flu. Corona, it causes 3 to 4% death and there is no any development of immunity. But in case of flu, there is only 1% death and immunity developed after infection. Many people say drinking lots of water reduce getting coronaviral infection, but there was no any evidence for such kind of sayings. Whether corona spread through food or not, there were no any reports still now reported for the spread through food. Intestinal infection was very rare and only 2 to 10% of cases get diarrhea. Two studies have reported RNA in feces and in one study there was a culture from the stool. There were no any fecal oral transmission. Whether corona is airborne disease or not, 239 scientists had said it is airborne, but still controversial statements are going. But definitely it's present in the water droplets from the affected persons. Whether drinking of alcohol will reduce infection or getting infected? No, nothing it can do inside the body or inside the blood. Whether breastfeeding is safe to the children? No any reduction noticed in the breast milk, but care must be taken. Coronavirus can be killed by heating to 56 degrees Celsius and above, and it can survive even up to frozen temperature. Social distancing recommended is 1 meter, that is 3 feet. Air droplets with COVID-19 can travel up to 1 meter, then dried COVID-19 can travel 1 more meter. So 2 meter is safer than 1. Treatment, only symptomatic treatment. There is no any specific treatment. Vaccines are still in the trials, but soon they will be in the markets for vaccination. Sanitizers, 80% volume ethanol based or 75% volume isopropanol based sanitizers can be used to prevent the corona infection. One should know the difference between quarantine and isolation. People who might have chance of getting infected or close contact with infected person are quarantined for 14 days and observed for signs and symptoms of coronavirus. In case of isolation, people who are confirmed with coronavirus infection are kept and treated until complete cure. Thank you.